In this tutorial, you'll learn the step-by-step process for adding Google Tag Manager to your Google Sites website. To begin, click the Create Account option. Start by clicking into the account name field and enter a meaningful name, such as your website's name, for easier identification later. After setting the account name, choose your country and click on the container name field to enter your website address or a descriptive label for this container. Switch to your Google site and open the site preview so you can copy its URL for the Tag Manager setup. Use the address bar menu to copy your site's preview link. Switch back to Tag Manager and paste the site address into the container name field, aligning your site and Tag Manager setups. Check for any field errors and adjust the container name as needed, making sure it meets Google's requirements. Select the web platform for your container, then click Create to submit your new account and container. Accept the terms to proceed and access your installation snippets. Click the first code snippet to select the required Tag Manager code for your site's head section. After copying the snippet, next, go back to your Google Site Exit Site Preview and return to editing your Google site. Open the Embed tool from the Insert sidebar and switch to the Embed Code tab so you can paste your Tag Manager code. Paste the Tag Manager script and click Insert to add it to your site page. Back in Tag Manager, copy the second code snippet for the NoScript tag so you can embed it as well for better tracking coverage. Return to Google Sites, open the Embed tool again, paste the NoScript code, and insert it into your page. Once both snippets are embedded, publish your site so the changes go live. Use the View option in the Publish confirmation to ensure your new setup is online. Copy your site's public URL from the address bar so you can use it to test tracking in Tag Manager. Finally, switch to Tag Manager, paste your site's address into the website test field, and click Test to confirm everything is working properly. As you can see, the test has been completed. You've successfully added Google Tag Manager to your Google site. Great job!